Everybody, my name is Felipe Crook from Realty One Group United, and I wanted to show you my new listing in Van Nuys. The address is 16029 Hart Street in Van Nuys, California, 91406. This is a really charming little house. It's 1,500 square feet. The main house is 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and there's a guest house, which is a 3/4 bath plus a studio. It's on a 13,300 square foot lot, so it is a really big lot. We have it listed at $699, and it is move-in ready. Let's go take a look. Okay, we're gonna start out from the outside. You have a great big beautiful tree here, and there's the front. You have 2 driveways, one on the right and one on the left side, and we will go and take a look at the property. Okay, we have hardwood floors. This was built in 1936, but has obviously been renovated. Stacked stone fireplace. And nice windows there. So nice sized rooms in this property. You have a formal dining room here with doors to the outside. Again, you have hardwood floors throughout. And one of your bedrooms is here. You can see the bedrooms are actually really good size. And if we continue on, you have a separate laundry room and access to the outside here. So there's your laundry. And your utility closet here. And the kitchen has been renovated. This is a really spacious kitchen. Updated cabinets. And you have slate flooring. And going down the hallway, you have more storage here. And this is your bathroom. So you have a 3/4 bath, 3/4 shower here. Plus you have a bathtub, a jetted bathtub. And there's your sink. And if you go into the master is a very nice size room. You have 3 closets, one there, a bay window, another closet there, and this is a big, huge king-size bed. And you have a 3rd walk-in closet right there. Now that's for the main house. I'm going to show you the guest house. So you have a little breezeway here. And I'm going to show you the big, huge yard in a minute. This is the studio. You have 2 closets, one there and another closet here. You have a very small galley kitchen. And you also have a 3/4 bath. Let's go take a look at the yard. So obviously this is a massive yard. It's 13,349 square feet. And it just goes on for days. You could build another house back here, almost. You have a covered patio. And then you do have a carport over here with a little shed. You could easily park a few cars back here. And there you go. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me directly at 213-340-5352. Thanks so much and have a great day.